happy. I'm so happy watching my mesmerized by these lines. I'm so happy watching my mesmerized by these lines. I'm so happy watching my mesmerized by these lines. I'm so happy watching my mesmerized by these lines. I'm so happy watching my mesmerized.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Sami here. So we are recording 4K 60 FPS for the OnePlus 12, vivo X100 Pro, and Xiaomi 14 Pro. Alright, now I'm testing the extremely dark environment. Like there are no much of light here. Here just 4K 60 FPS because I just want to test how good they are. Just hand hold it and right. Okay, all of them, all the three are under default stabilization, and the HDR has turned off because the HDR does not support 60 FPS. All right. So let me know if you know which is better, who has the best stabilization, you know, blah 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 blah, and also who has the best mic. From my last test between the vivo and Xiaomi, vivo has a better noise control, but seems like they lower the audio volume like significantly. I prefer, to be honest, you know, louder audio. Because nowadays, come on, if you really want to, like, you know, record with the phone, you must get a phone mic, right? So, all right. So that's the power, the two building that always occur in my video. All right. So cool. I think we are about to end. Just a second. We are about to end like a extreme, like a dark, like alley. Okay, whatever. From the screen, seems like Xiaomi is the darkest, right? Well, vivo has the best. It's like the increased the light significantly, right? All right. And now I want to test the stabilization, so I'm just running a little bit. Let me know which is better. Okay, who has the best stabilization? Okay, I just end it here. Zoom. This is the first vivo X100. All right, so this the ultra wide. 1, 2, 3.2, 4.5, 5, 6 times, and this is 10 times. All right, that's the main camera. And for the Xiaomi, 1.4, 1.9, 2.5, 3.6, 5.1, and 6 times. Supports up to 6 times. So yeah, you can see much better for the vivo. Actually, I did a lot really detailed zoom test on previous video. You can check out if you haven't. And here on the OnePlus 12, 1.4, 1.7, 2.5, 3.8, 5.3, 6 times. So we definitely have a winner and loser. Vivo wins for the best for sure, and then I think is the OnePlus 12. Compared to Xiaomi, you can see like for Xiaomi the highlights part, the text part is like totally got blown out. You can see shit, right? But yeah, for OnePlus 12 you can also see shit, but the thing is maybe a little bit better, not like all got together, you know. But anyway, that's it. Super dark. Alright, so I just want to test like when I turn the ultra steady on all the three phones, like super steady. Okay, I'm just hold it. To use this feature, actually you have to use it under like a sufficient light, but we're just testing this extreme light anyway because, you know, it's just a bad example for you. Alright, so all the three only supports 1080. Well, for Oppo, no, for OnePlus and Vivo supports 1080 60, but for Xiaomi only supports 30 fps. Okay, and that's it. I would imagine the quality would be really bad. Alright, now we are testing the HDR video. For HDR video, actually for Vivo I cannot find that HDR option. So I don't know if it is like yeah, HDR or not. But for OnePlus and Xiaomi, when I turn on, it supports 1080 30 fps, but the max frame rate is 30 fps, right? Okay, so let's just check out if, like, you know, to check out if the HDR has become any better. Okay, HDR video, if judged from the screen, to be honest, I cannot see any difference. Okay, and HDR, I don't know. HDR, okay, isn't it beautiful? Man, this is China and super modern. Whoa, the skyscrapers, the bus in the streets. Okay, currently it's too cold here, so nobody hang out except me. So definitely subscribe, alright? Okay, let's see. So right now I'm recording at the highest resolution for the selfie camera. OnePlus 12 supports 4K 30. Xiaomi 14 Pro supports 4K 60. Well, for the Vivo it only supports 1080 60. But I just compare them. So from the screen, I think OnePlus 12 offers the best natural, the best quality, because of, you know, the screen. It will just turn up, you know, the brightness. It will turn up the brightness, so it looks better. My face got well lit up, and yeah, I think Xiaomi. I don't know why Xiaomi was so dark, right? But I don't know who has the best selfie. Who? Let me know. I have to check on computer and see everything and compare it. So that's the selfie camera. Like, will you use like 4K for the selfie camera, or do you use the front camera that often? Just let me know. And please subscribe, man. It's freezing cold outside, man. I got most frozen to death. So normally for this part, you just check out the highlighted part. Seems like OnePlus is the worst, seems like. But if I have to choose like which one has the best performance, I think Vivo wins again because more natural, less noise, overall better light control. Definitely. Alright. So, alright, that's it.